whenever you're told that if you don't do as the Romans do, you will not succeed, a leader never accepts that. You'll always be told that, look, this is how the society functions, and either you accept it or not. And most of the time, people do not fight the system and they leave the country. Take the easy option. For me, I have always had easy options. But a leader must not take the trodden path. To become a leader, you have to face resistance. No one has ever achieved anything if they haven't faced failures, if they haven't had disappointments, if they haven't had days when they don't want to wake up, get out of bed. No one has ever achieved anything. To achieve anything in life, you have to be prepared to take on the odds. The Almighty has given tremendous strength which lies within us. You only discover that strength when you put yourself up against resistance. The moment you take on challenges, you will then start discovering the enormous strength you have in you.